Welcome to Real Estate Taxes and Your Escrow Account. This video will provide information about how local real estate taxes can impact your escrow account. An escrow account is maintained by Virginia Housing on your behalf. Funds in the escrow account are dispersed to pay your local real estate taxes, homeowners insurance, and, in some cases, other types of insurance. Each year, Virginia Housing will conduct an analysis to estimate the total expenses that Virginia Housing will pay on your behalf from the funds in the escrow account. If you need more background on what an escrow account is, how it works, or the annual escrow analysis, please refer to the video Getting to Know Your Escrow Account on the Homeowners page of the Virginia Housing website. In this video, you will learn about the real estate taxes that are paid from your escrow account, as well as things that may impact the taxes you pay. Depending on your locality, there may be additional taxes or fees assessed. This video will focus specifically on real estate taxes. Note that Virginia Housing only disperses payment for real estate taxes. We have no control over the taxes you are charged. Your annual real estate taxes are paid out of your escrow account. The amount collected in escrow for your real estate taxes will be based on your most recent escrow analysis. When you receive your analysis, you should visit the website for your locality to ensure that you have been assessed the correct tax rates. If you have not, you should contact your locality's assessor's office or Department of Finance. Tax exemptions are determined by your locality, not by Virginia Housing. They will vary between municipalities. Your annual escrow analysis will take into account any estimated real estate tax exemptions. When you purchase a home, it is a good idea to look into any previous exemptions that were applied and whether they will continue to apply to you. Again, you can contact your municipality to find out what your real estate taxes should be. Supplemental tax is assessed when a property's value is reassessed due to an ownership change. You could receive a supplemental tax bill at any time. Bills are sent based on when an assessment is done on your property. It is very important that you are opening and reading all mail from your municipality. Supplemental tax bills come separately from all other tax bills, and funds to cover these taxes are generally not included in the escrow account. Supplemental tax bills are sent directly to you, the homeowner, not to Virginia Housing. We will pay supplemental taxes from the escrow account if you make that request by forwarding us a copy of the bill. Note that if Virginia Housing pays your supplemental taxes, since we had not been collecting money in escrow to cover those costs, your monthly mortgage payment will most likely go up during your next annual analysis. Note that if you do not pay your supplemental taxes and the supplemental tax bill becomes delinquent, the locality will put the payment for your regular real estate taxes toward your supplemental taxes. Then your regular tax payment will be delinquent. This is why it is important that you are putting money into the escrow account to cover the supplemental taxes if you would like Virginia Housing to pay them out of the escrow account. You may not be able to do much to change your annual tax assessment, but it is a good idea to plan for changes as much as you can. If you have the means, you can save money as a buffer to account for increases in your real estate taxes. This money can be added to your escrow account, or you can set it aside yourself. It's also a good idea to stay up to date on things that are happening in your locality that may impact your real estate taxes. For example, if your city or town is making updates to the water and sewer systems, that will likely be paid for using increased real estate taxes. You won't be able to prevent an increase in your taxes, but you can be prepared for it. Your real estate taxes are an important part of your escrow account. While you may not be able to change the taxes you owe, you can keep yourself informed of projects within your locality that may impact tax rates, as well as follow up with your locality after you receive your annual escrow analysis to ensure you are being charged the correct real estate taxes. For more information about your escrow account, visit the Homeowners section of Virginia Housing's website. Thanks for watching.